Hello YouTube, welcome back. Today we're going to do an unboxing video. It will be a short one. We're going to unbox the CZ75BD. This is my first, well no, not my first CZ. This is a CZ45 caliber pistol. It's my first 45 actually. Check it out. Short and sweet, just open the box, content, and that's it. Before I forget, if you like the content of the video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Share it to your friend or anyone else who's interested in CZ firearms. CZ75BD unboxing, 45 caliber automatic. There's a CZ box which is black with golden latches. Opening the box, we have a typical safety cable. Behind the panel we have a CZ manual. That reminds me of when I bought the CZ Scorpion, similar manual books. Schematics of the pistol, warranty card, and so on and so forth. We have the handgun itself. It comes with 3 magazines, so I think there's two magazines, sorry. 1, 2, the gun, handgun. Let's put it back. Cleaning brush, a tool to run the cleaning cloth, a key for disassembly and servicing the pistol. So yeah, that's the CZ75BD. This one has a decocker, so here, release the slide. You can decock the gun. It's got tritium sights, so for night sights, tritium. And that's what you get. So decocker, this one is the decocker model. All right.